What is up, everybody? 𝐾𝐿 King here. Thanks for tuning in for another video. In this video, I'm going to show you a contingency that I found when I was swapping out an older Tristar 950 variable speed with a newer Tristar 950 variable speed, and it has to do with the communication wire. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, everyone. So I got the old Tristar opened up here for you, and the way it was set up before, this was the COM port, and it's a 2-wire port, and here's the old COM wire. You see here it's just green and yellow. The new Tristars require a 3-wired communication wire, and if we go over here to the new one, you can see we got 3. We got black, we got yellow, and then we have bare, which is essentially the ground or communication wire for the new pump. Now, keep in mind the orientation. We got black, yellow, green. So how I always play in my head that 𝐬𝐻𝐫𝐞 song, black and yellow, black and yellow. So black first, yellow, then COM, or the ground, which is that bare wire. Going over the automation system, the nice thing is you run the COM wire to the same exact port, which is the HS bus port that the old one was ran into. Instead of just using the 2, you put all 3 here in the same orientation. So black, yellow, and then the COM or the ground. And if you look closely on the board, you can actually see black is spot 2, right there, and then yellow spot 3, and then green or ground, or in this case COM as well, is in spot 4. So that is the differences when you are installing a new Tristar 950 in replacement of the old Tristar 950. If it's connected to automation, you're going to have to run a new COM wire that has the 3 wires. So I hope that video helped explain a little bit about why you need to change communication wires with the Hayward pumps if you're installing a new one in replacement of an old 950. And stay tuned for more videos, likes, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any coaching or tips or anything like that, check out my Patreon as well. I appreciate all the supporters out there. And we'll see you next video. Have a good day, guys and gals.